I've been training salespeople for 34 years, and what I've found is that all the problems boil down to two things. One of two things is what you're probably running into, and I want to help you with it. Either you're not happy with the number of appointments you're booking, or you're dissatisfied with your closing ratio. Now, what tends to happen is people that are dissatisfied with their closing ratio, they tend to drop their price a lot to try and close the deal. Half the time that works, half the time it doesn't. But even when it does work, you're probably not very happy with having to drop your price in order to close the deal. So we created a workshop specifically for these two issues. It's called Pipeline Builder and Closing Clinic. And normally we only open it up to paying clients. However, the next one we have coming up, I'm inviting you to participate and be commingled with paying clients. So it's a real training program, not a promotional program. I want to leave you with this. Your value as a sales professional increases not with the amount of information you dispense, but with the amount of information you gather. And I'm going to show you how to use that concept to triple the number of appointments you book and dramatically improve your closing ratio without having to drop your price. I'm Greg Nanigian, and I wish you good selling.